Assalamu alaikum dear friends. In this part of the video we will discuss the normal level of vitamin D and the natural sources of vitamin D. The normal blood level of vitamin D is from 30 nanogram per ml to 70 nanogram per ml. Below 30 nanogram per ml we consider that person the deficient. For vitamin D deficiency, the available forms are 2 lakh international units capsules and injections orally, which we can use it weekly or monthly according to the need. The natural sources of vitamin D are the sunlight, the fish, mostly the salmon fish, the eggs, and some vegetables. The daily requirement of vitamin D for kids are the 1000 units per day. For the elderly kids, they are the 2000 units per day. And for the adults, from 4000 to 6000 units per day. So, this is all about the vitamin D. Thank you very much.